Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to restore trash in Google Docs. So if you've deleted a document or article and you want to get it back, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's look at this document I've got here. So I'm going to delete it, add it to the trash and show you how to get it back. So if I click on remove, it will tell me CMS cover letter will be moved to trash and deleted forever after 30 days. So this is important to point out. You have 30 days to recover trashed items. So if you're still within that 30 days, you can find deleted items. So I'm going to move that to the trash. Now, how do I find it again? So it's pretty simple. All you do is click in the top left-hand corner on your main menu and scroll down and click on Drive. From there, in your Google Drive on the left-hand side, you have a trash button. So I'm going to click on there and you can see your recently trashed items. So here is the cover letter that I just trashed. So I'm going to click on the three dots and click on Restore. And then back in my Google Docs, you can see that document is recovered again. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.